Here's what it is. I want to make a quick correction for my last video. I didn't realize I fucked something up. So I had a brother in the comments. What's his brother's name? My bad. Apologize. I can't remember your name, fam, but appreciate that. He told me like today. He said, bro, the moon is in Virgo. I said, God damn. I realized I looked at the wrong. Remember, in the video I said the moon was almost exact opposite from Jupiter at that time. I'm glad I said that because I can show where I made my mistake at, and it ain't just like I'm just fucking up. Mercury is 7 degrees Taurus, you know, and on the little app I use, and on most things, Mercury is right under the moon. So I just glanced at it, and the video wasn't really about the moon anyway. I was really trying to more focus on Venus and Cancer. But, you know, I just mentioned the moon, and I fucked that up. So, but let me say how I was right anyway, even though I was wrong. The moon was in Virgo, and Virgo is ruled by Mercury, and Mercury was in Taurus. So, you know what I'm saying? I was kind of right, you know what I mean? Like, and plus the moon was, well, I looked at it before I did this. Well, I looked at it earlier when the brother told me what my fuck up was. The moon was like 18 degrees Virgo, right? Which 20 degrees Virgo is the Taurus degree of Virgo. So I was almost close to being right, even though I was wrong type shit. And then the lesson in this, and my point in doing this video, just because normally, I mean, the fuck up was kind of bad this time, but I fuck up a lot. I don't give a damn. I leave that shit up. I don't give a damn. But this time I kind of was bragging, like I know the moon and da. Well, I knew, and after I said that shit, I thought I just did a new moon video, and I damn sure did the new moon in Taurus. It makes sense. But anyway, what was I finna say? Oh, the moon was in Virgo. Remember, and I said in that video, my moon is in Pisces. That's the exact opposite, you see? So, and then, okay, with me being a Gemini, Virgo is a kind of a special. Everything always special when I tell y'all shit. But Virgo is a kind of a special energy for me because it's 3 signs ahead of my Gemini energy. Therefore, it's 90 degrees away from my Gemini energy. Therefore, it's a difficult, or what they call a hard angle in astrology. So, and me and Virgo is kind of you know, I tend to make mistakes in that sign, and there you go. You see, so you know, it's lessons in everything, and you know, I don't give a fuck. I don't try to come here like I'm perfect, and you know, people make mistakes. Please, always, if you, I fuck up a lot. If you want to comment on my video, comment on my fuck ups. You know what I'm saying, and tell me where I fucked up at. You know, don't come to me trying to tell me no shit I know. There's another cat who left the comment. He commented after I said something about another video. Peace, fam. You know, he wasn't, you know, I get so many stupid ass comments. You know, his wasn't like that. You know what I mean? His was respectful. He was just trying to share, you know, what my thing with the internet is, don't come to me like you wouldn't come to me if we was in person. You understand what I'm saying? We treated just like we was eye to eye, and you know, we'll be all right. So anyway, that's my little corrections. Just trying to show y'all what's up, tell y'all what's up. Peace and love. Take it easy.